When it comes to finding a top land surveyor in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is the name that stands out. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have established themselves as one of the leading surveying companies in the area. The team at SCON Design is dedicated to providing accurate and reliable land surveying services to their clients. As a top land surveyor, SCON Design understands the importance of precision and attention to detail in their work. They use state-of-the-art equipment and advanced surveying techniques to ensure that their measurements are accurate and reliable. Whether it is a small residential plot or a large commercial development, SCON Design has the expertise to handle any type of land surveying project. One of the key reasons why SCON Design is regarded as a top land surveyor in BTM Layout, Bangalore is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every client has unique requirements, and they strive to tailor their services to meet those specific needs. The team at SCON Design works closely with their clients to understand their goals and objectives for the surveying project, and then develop a customized plan that will deliver the desired results. SCON Design is also known for their professionalism and reliability. They have a team of highly skilled and experienced surveyors who are dedicated to delivering high-quality results on time and within budget. With SCON Design, clients can have peace of mind knowing that their land surveying project is in capable hands. When it comes to finding a top land surveyor in BTM Layout, Bangalore, SCON Design India Private Ltd is the company that stands out. With their expertise and experience in the field, they have established themselves as a leader in land surveying services. SCON Design has a team of highly skilled and knowledgeable professionals who are dedicated to providing accurate and reliable land surveying solutions to their clients. What sets SCON Design apart from other land surveyors in the area is their commitment to delivering high-quality services. They understand the importance of precision and attention to detail in land surveying, and they strive to exceed client expectations in every project they undertake. Whether it's a small residential plot or a large commercial development, SCON Design has the expertise to handle any land surveying requirement. One of the key reasons why SCON Design is considered the top land surveyor in BTM Layout is their use of advanced technology and equipment. They utilize state-of-the-art surveying tools and software to ensure accurate measurements and data collection. This not only helps them provide precise results, but also allows them to complete projects in a timely manner. By leveraging technology, SCON Design is able to streamline their processes and deliver efficient surveying services. Another factor that sets SCON Design apart is their extensive knowledge of local regulations and zoning laws. Land surveying involves ensuring compliance with legal requirements and obtaining necessary permits for construction or development